start knocking things over because your brain can't even catch up with how fat your body is getting. You don't even realize how big you are, how much space you take up, until you travel on an airplane and your seatbelt won't go around your big belly anymore. And that's the point that I'm getting at lately. It's literally on the absolute last bit. Like, it's down to the farthest that it will stretch, and I just know it's going to be the hottest milestone when I can no longer do it without a seatbelt extender, and then everyone around me